Okay, so on this one, we are adding, subtracting roots. And you know, again, the deal with roots is you can only add, subtract like roots, which would mean 3 root 7, say, plus 2 root 7 makes 5 root 7. You just add the numbers in the front. You don't mess with the roots, only when they're like. Okay, so that's what we got to do here. But each of these has to be simplified first, huh? That's the first. Let me bring them down. Square root of 8b here, and then in the middle. Now remember to take their sign with them. In the middle, I'll take the minus square root of 200b, and then on the right side, I'll grab this guy, which is a plus square root of 50b. Notice how I take the signs that are in front of them with them, right? Because that's their sign. Okay, let's simplify. 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2. Okay, so then what do we have with this square root? We've got 2 times 2 times 2 times b. And you know the deal with the square roots. 2 2's in, 1 2 out, they're gone. So this becomes 2 square root of 2b. Let's go to the middle. Break down that 200. That's 2 times 100. 100 is 10 times 10. That 2 is done. I underline things when they can't go down further. 10 breaks down 2 times 5. Those are done. And 2 times 5. Those are done. Okay. So what do we have then all together? We have minus, and then the square root of, and what do we got? Looks like 3 2's. 2 5's and a b. Be careful not to lose anything. It's easy to skip this one, for example, but watch out. 2 5's, 3 2's, and a b. All right, and you know what happens here now? We 2 for 1. 2 2's in, sends 1 2 out, they're gone. 2 5's in, sends 1 5 out, they're gone. 2 times 5 is 10. So this is negative 10 root of 2b. And then finally, the orange, 55 times 10. This is 2 times 5. Those are all reached ground. What do we have then? Square root of 5 times 5 times 2 times b. 2 5's, a 2 and a b. And you know the deal. 2 for 1, 2 5's in, 1 5 out. They're gone. So what do we have? 5 square root of 2b. Okay, so now we have 3 terms all simplified. And notice they're all like roots, aren't they? All 3 of them have the same exact root pattern. Root of 2b, root of 2b, root of 2b. They're all the same. Root 2b, root 2b, root 2b. And so what do we do in this situation? We add and subtract the numbers in the front, right? Just like up here, when you have 3 root 7 and 2 root 7, it's 5 root 7. You just add the 3 and the 2 in the front. Same thing here. I'm just going to combine these numbers in the front. So I'm going to say 2 minus 10 plus, this is a plus. I forgot the plus sign right here. So 2 minus 10 is minus 8, plus 5 is minus 3, and then the root 2b is just there. You just bring it down. That's the type of term. Like this is 2 of the root 2b terms. Take away 10 of the root 2b terms. Add 5 of the root 2b terms. Altogether, you've got negative 3 of the root 2b terms. That's what that means. Or you could go like that. You could do any order. Probably 2 and 5 makes 7. Take away 10 is negative 3 roots of 2b. And there's our final answer. There we go.